Kihuhukanio gia kiuteti kiria gikoretwo githiururukirie President William Ruto na munini wake Rigathi wa Gachagua kironekana ta gitakuhoreraga na ihenya giatira. Amuriu atongoria ni mareyumiria na kuheana mirugamo ya kuonania ni mwena uriku maranyita mbaru. Umuthi gikundi kia ambunge kuma kaunti-ini ya Meru ni maumukanirie murugamo wao makiuga ati o manyitiriire murugamo-ini wa President William Ruto uria arutire muthi wa madaraka wa ati bururi wa Kenya ndubatie kuhura uteti wa icigo kana wa ukabira.
We have already started this journey and we are not ready to divert or to follow any other route, but we want to tell the Kenyans that we are much ready to follow what His Excellency the President has said.
Akiaria igongona-ini ria madaraka, President William Ruto ni acokereire uteti wa githurano kia mwaka wa 2022 akiuga ati ni giateithireirie bururi kweheria uteti wa icigo na undurire, na uguo akiuga ati uyu niguo mwerekero uria uteti wa bururi ukurumirira guthie na mbere.
We will never go back to the politics of ethnicity. We will never go back to the politics of personalities. We will never go back to the politics that people are not in the center.
Na riu murugamo uyu wa bunge ya Meru uronekana ta ugukorwo ukirituhiria munini wa President Rigathi Gachagua igeria riake ria kunyitithania gitaro kia Mount Kenya, kuona ati miario ya President yonekanire gukorwo irongoreirie uteti uria Rigathi arahura matuko-ini maica ikuhi.
Kenya will not be divided to ethnicity, but Kenya will remain as one. Because even the president, when he was asking for the vote, he was not asking vote because maybe he come from a certain region, but he was selling his manifesto, and his manifesto was bought by all Kenyans across the country.
Dalili ege ya kuonania ati Rigathi ni agukorwo na gibarua kirito uteti-ini wa Mount Kenya ni gukorwo ambunge ni monanitie kwaga kunyita mbaru ugai wa kigina kia muingi na uingi wa andu. Ithenya-ini riu makahana ta mareyeheria ndereti-ini ino na njira ya kuga ati magweterera watho uria ungitwarwo bunge-ini wigi ugai wa utonga wa bururi.
Me, I was a supporter of BBI and I've got no apologies to make. I was a front supporter. My colleague was not supporting BBI. And the deputy president who is talking right now about one man, one shilling, one vote was not a supporter of BBI.
Na wakati ambapo ile jambo litaweza kutukuta hapa kama wanasheria, tutaweza kulizungumzia wakati ule. Lakini kwa sasa ni mambo ambayo yanazungumziwa kule, na wakati ambapo hili jambo litaweza kutukuta hapa bunge, tutaweza kulizungumzia hapa.
Atongoria ya ninge ni manyitete mbaru miario ya President uria wirite ya bunge mari na rutha rwa gutungatira Kenya icigo-ini ciothe cia bururi ithenya-ini ria gucokanirira hamwe ta uria munini wake akoretwo akiuria.
Sisi tutafanya kazi vile rais anatuelekesha, tutafanya pamoja na yeye, na kama kuna mahali tunahitajika na rais kuenda, tutaenda. Hatutakuwa tumejifungia kwa constituencies zetu peke yake.
Ndini Hakameme TV retwa ria kwa Kimani Wagujiri.